Hey, what's up there, crew? Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. So in today's Ask Matt question, Vanessa had a great question. And I love this question because I get it asked all the time, and I normally have pretty much the same answer every time. So Vanessa's question was, how do you keep going in the business? And how do you keep growing in the business when everybody's doing it? Everybody down the road has a cutter and they're doing crafts and they think they can make their own shirts. And how do us as a business stay in business and compete with all of them? And it's simple. You be different. Be different. Think outside the box. Do new things. Make sure that they are always riding your coattails and you will stay ahead of the game, and they'll be trying to sell the things that you've already sold and you've already moved on to something else. So one of the biggest things is you can't just keep doing the same thing. And even in our side of the industry with the distribution side of it, I see so many companies. One of the first companies I started with, they still have the same artwork from back when I got it 8 years ago, 9 years ago. Insane. Nobody's buying the same shirts from 9 years ago. You need new artwork. You need new, fresh designs and ideas. And you need to stay up with it. You need to do the research. You need to ask the teens and the tweens and the kids and the adults and see what's going on in the world and be different. Okay. If you are doing or trying to do the same thing as every business around you, you won't be successful. You're not going to grow. And then it's just going to be a matter of who has the lowest price, and you're going to turn into a Walmart. All right. You don't want to be the lowest price in your area. If anything, you might want to be the highest price, but you have unique items that are different. And that's what I always strived on. And even in this side of the industry, that's what I try to do. I'm always trying to think of new, innovative things and ideas and software and things that the other softwares don't have. That's why the TRW Design Wizard software that we have is so amazing, because I thought of all the things that all those different and other softwares didn't have because I come from the production side of it. So my software coming out of nowhere has grown so much and is an industry leader now because of all the unique things that I put in it to make it different than all of those other softwares. So think of that when you're doing your designs. See what's going on, see what's trending right now, stay involved in all the social media and see what's going on, and move your business towards that and think of those things, because if you keep, you're going to find things that are successful and you're going to make some good amount of money on it, but eventually those things are going to be old and there's going to be new things. If you just stay on those old things and stay back here to where it was successful and you're not thinking about, I'm always thinking of the next thing. This is awesome, but what can make it better? I didn't invent rhinestones. I didn't invent all this stuff. I just made it better. I made it easier. I made it to where it's more profitable. And that's the whole goal of us as the Rhinestone World, to help all of you and provide knowledge to all of you to better your business. Think of that when you're selling your shirts as well. I always had a ton of different decal designs. I spent time, I did research. I went to see, hey, what type of poses in cheerleading and gymnastics and all these different things are good, the band, the choir, anything I could think of. And don't always think of the main sports. A lot of them don't get the love that they want, or the churches, or the businesses, or the storefront windows. You can do a ton of stuff with your vinyl cutter. Find that perfect niche that's right for you. Be a little bit different than everybody else in your area, and your business will be successful. But the number one thing is you have to put in the work. If you don't put in the work, and I'm talking the work, I'm talking 24-hour days. I'm not talking go to the movies and go to Disney World and do all the fun things and hang out with your friends. I'm talking put in the work when they're doing all of that stuff. That's what's going to make the difference. Every minute I'm not working during the day, if I go to sleep at 3 a.m. instead of 4 a.m., I'm thinking to myself, you know what? Someone else might be working this hour that I'm not, and they might be getting ahead of me. And that frustrates me. I want to work nonstop because I always want to be better and I want to better the business. So you need to take that same mentality into it. If you don't put in the work, you're not going to get the results. So hope this Ask Matt helped you out here today, guys. But of course, make sure to give a little thumbs up if you like these, if they're helping your business. That's my goal, is to share everything that I've learned and everything that I know with all of you, help your businesses. I don't see any other business in this industry doing anything like what I'm doing right now, because I am doing it and we are in it at TRW to help you. So it's not going to happen anywhere else. It's happening right here. I'm going to share it with you. Hopefully you enjoy them. Please click the like button, comment below, give me a question for tomorrow, and I'm going to answer some of your questions. Thanks for watching, guys. You guys all have an amazing day. Later.